What's up guys, welcome back to the brand new video, and today we're gonna be watching some more idiots in cars. And I know I'm a little bit late with this episode, but I was way too busy to make a video last week, but it is what it is. I hope you guys will understand, and yeah, with that said, let's dive into this. Alrighty, let's see what's in store for us today. Oh, this is a nice Audi A7, I think. It would be nicer if it was RS7, but never mind. It's a dingleberry behind the wheel, so it's safer this way. Oh, look at that black racing stripe and orange paint. Beautiful combination. Only I don't know what car is that, but you guys let me know in the comments. Whoa! Someone don't know how to drive in a roundabout, and it's a hillbilly in a pickup truck. What a surprise. And now we are in, I'm not sure where, but that Citroen is like power and gets denied. Get wrecked, son. Play stupid games, win stupid prizes. That was a stupid move. Oh, a nice color. Oh, he got nailed from behind and by the 007. James Bond, you're drunk, go home. Oh, and a pole position as well. That wasn't good. Let's see here. Oh, no. And please tell me he's not gonna run away.
8RRN1.
Yeah, get his plates. It's safer that way.
Honda Accord.
Oh no, it's another BMW driving, god. That's not how you hold your steering wheel, you dumbass, you dingleberry. Please stop. You're embarrassing yourself. Look at him. Look. What the heck are you doing, mate? What was that? Are you having a heart attack or you're driving? I don't know which one is it. I can't tell the difference. Oh, this is so embarrassing, and he doesn't even have to crash. He embarrassed himself enough. But anyways, moving on to... Ooh. He overreacted and ate some grass. He was a lawnmower for a minute. Screw you, traffic light! I hate you, you stupid thing! Still works, by the way. 53 seconds left. Nice. What? What is he doing? What the heck was this? I'm confused. Oh, that's a lot of 5-0. Run, boys. But first, let's see what's going on here. Ooh, something big happened. But what? Oh, hello there, airplane. You don't say this every day, do you? The pilot was like, yeah, I'm not feeling like going to the airstrip. I'm just gonna park it here. Let's see here. And his name is John Cena. Oh. Woohoo! You know, white van and all of that stuff. Never mind, moving on. Oh, that's a cluster F right there. Nobody knows where they're going. Yeah, everybody blast your horn, because that will help. That always helps. Oh, that was a love tap. Kakav krkljanac, brate, kao kružni tok na Slaviji. On to the next one. And he attacks from the shadows. And now he's gonna disappear. Just like that. I don't know what I'm doing. Whoa! Looks like he had one-to-one appointment with ground. And again, it's that moment when we are all waiting for something to happen and nothing's happening. And then everything falls apart. Oh, come on! I thought he was gonna get away with it, but nope. Dang it! There's a suspicious amount of white vans in this video. I don't know what's going on. Whoop! That was close, but again, guys from behind weren't so lucky.
When you talk about various states, when you look at right there.
I wonder whose butt is gonna get rear-ended here. Oh. Well, all jokes aside, this went much better than I thought. Let's take a closer look. Oh, that Mercedes is sexy. That's S-Class. Amazing car. And another one goes power, but doing that in front of a Crown Vic, that's not the greatest idea, mate. Is he gone? Did he crash or? I didn't see it. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa! That was a close call and a half. Dearie me. They actually made contact. A little one, a little love tap, but it's still a contact. We are moving on to comic country, where everything is a little bit more red, if you know what I mean. Alright, let's see here. No, don't brake check the truck, you stupid. That's the dumbest thing you can do in your life. And you achieved what exactly? Let us know when you find out. Merc, stay in your lane, bruh. Who turned off the sun? Oh, easy boy. I wonder if you know kicked in. Woohoo! That's a wild ride. It was like, don't worry guys, I learned to drive in GTA.
Life she could possibly have. It's sad for us living in a house with a cat that's dying. My wife's a mess.
That Audi's looking suspicious. But he's not. I thought for a sec he was gonna reverse into our dashcam guy, but nope, I was wrong. Let's see here. Yo, brake! Use your brakes! Oh! Too late, bruh. Too late. He or she was probably on the phone. I hate those people. Yo, 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 yo! Yo, that's not cool, dude. Stop giving people mini heart attacks. Damn. And on that note, guys, it's time to wrap up this video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and also please leave a like and a comment. That helps a lot. And subscribe as well, of course, if you haven't already. And yeah, I love you guys. Thank you for your amazing support, and I will see you in the next one. Take care. Ciao, ciao.